I've played football a lot and I enjoy doing that. From my younger age, I have been playing football. I play in academic and at the same time I play for many teams. Those are the two things I enjoy doing mostly, driving and at the same time playing football. I drive truck in Babcock University. Driving is another job that allows me to play football. I enjoy these two things. I started this team with 5 children, and this set of 5 children, they saw me coaching a team here in Babcock, training them together. They see you as their instructor. They whatever you tell them, they always want to believe you. That's the reason why you just have to tell them the truth and nothing but the truth. And you need to tell them the truth, who Christ is like, and at the same time, what they need to do in football field. And that is what we have just did here today.
At Babcock University, outreach to the community is an important value. The administration encourages students and staff to engage in creative ways of connecting with the community. As a university employee, Silvanus coaches children as a way to use his talents to serve a greater purpose. The team is made up of kids from many religions and backgrounds in the community. He wants to instill good values and mentor them through the game.
You know, when one is doing anything, whatever you are doing, it's good you do something that you find pleasure in doing. What I've just did here today is one of the things I find pleasure in doing, and at the same time, is another way of connecting these children and letting them know. You bring the children together and to tell them more of Christ and impact a new life into their life. We do a lot of talk. One, we need to talk about Christ life to them, and at the same time, that's another way of telling them and impacting in their life. That's why we do more of talk.
Without this team, some of these children might never be exposed to Jesus. It creates a platform for them to listen and learn valuable life lessons. This field is where some kids first developed a relationship with Jesus. Silvanus has a heart to coach these kids in the game and mentor them in life. Please pray as Babcock University staff, like Silvanus, use their talents to share Jesus.
The only thing I would like to pray for this place is Christ should impact our life, that people out there will see our life and their life will change and they will give their life to Christ.